everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. We have this pumpkin here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's all white. And I'm going to use some of this silver acrylic paint, and we are going to paint our pumpkin silver. And if you're new here, I would like to say welcome, and I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and hit the bell too, so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies and my goodies, hey everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the fall decor ideas that I have to share with you today. And here's our pumpkin all dry. So now I'm just going to add some of this silver glam chain using some hot glue going down the sides of our pumpkin. And here's our pumpkin all done with the glam chain. I think it looks super cute. So now I'm going to come in with some blue crushed glass I got from Michael's. And I'll be using some Mod Podge. And we're just going to lay the crushed glass going right around our pumpkin. So I'm just going to continue adding the crushed glass, and when we're all done, I'm going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. And here's our pumpkin all dry. So now we're going to go back in with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. I'm going to come in with some silver glitter to add to our pumpkin. And for the stem of the pumpkin, I just add some Mod Podge, and I'll be adding some glitter going right around the stem. And then I will just continue the process of sealing in the crushed glass, and then I will set the pumpkin aside to dry for a few hours. And here's our finished look for DIY number 1. Our glam pumpkin. I like how it turned out. This was an easy and fast DIY to do. And like I said before, I like how it turned out. Are you doing pumpkins for this fall for 2022? Let me know by leaving a comment down below, and let me know what you think of DIY number 1. And here we go with DIY number 2. I found these two elephant heads at the Dollar Tree. Aren't they nice? And the trunk is facing up, which they say when the trunk is up is a sign for good luck. I like them. I think they look so super cute. So I'm going to take some gold spray paint and spray paint these two elephants. And then I also have these two little boxes here I got at the Dollar Tree also. And the lid comes off. So I'm just going to be using the bottom half of this box with our decor today. And of course, there's two of them. And I'll just be using some black spray paint to spray paint both of these boxes. Okay, here's both our boxes all spray painted and dried. So now I'll be coming in with some gold mirrored tiles that I got from BB Craft. And they have the self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to place them going right around our box. And we are making two bookend decors with these elephants and the boxes. I can't wait to see how they turned out. And now we're going to use some of our Glam gold chain going around our box. And I'm just going to be using some E6000 to place the chain down. Okay, so the chain's going right around our box. So now I'll be using some of this Glam sheet, which I cut into strips, and they have self-adhesive on the back, going right around our box. Okay, so here's our elephant head. All spray painted gold. Doesn't that look nice? So now we're going to add it to the top part of our box. And I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue. Now I'm going to be adding some more of our gold chain going right around the elephant on top of the box. Okay, this one is all done, and remember we have our second piece to do, so I'll do that and get back to you guys. And here's our finished look for DIY number 2. I love how these elephant book ends turned out. I think they look lovely, and I love the gold and the black together. I think it looks super cute. And here they are with the books in between, because after all, they are bookends. I think they look very nice. And here they are once again with the elephants turned the other way, with the two tusks facing out. Any way you would like to turn them, they would look lovely in both directions. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today for some more fall decor ideas for 2022. I'd like you to leave me a comment and tell me what you think of DIY number 2. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you all. And thank you once again for coming on and seeing the fall decor ideas that I have to share with you guys. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.